Choppy market kills the active trader. I've been absolute trash this past week, but I have one high conviction short that absolutely saved my P&L. Least we can do is go over it. Me, my bread and butter is making money trading these growth names to the long side, but this HLF just provided such a beautiful short opportunity I couldn't resist, and it gave such a tight entry that I was able to get a ton of stock for really tight risk. Let's go over it. This HLF has been good to us. Strong growth name, strong trend. It was in this channel. I was looking at to break this 58 area to the long side after I saw it once again hold this support area, this longer term support area. So I'm staring at this thing. I'm trying to get long through this area. I'm watching, and then when I see this action, high volume sell day, it just tells me this trend might be done. The sellers are clearly in control. This is a high volume sell day at a very, very important support area. So I keep this on the back of my mind for the next couple days, and I see it setting up, and it just gives me a bear flag right at that monster support level, right where that level meets the 200 SMA, which we know is what determines uptrends and downtrends, that 200-day simple moving average. So when it sets up so tightly to the downside and a growth name like that, that's a name I would get short anytime. Look at how this HLF triggered that allowed me to just load up on size so much. So here's that bear flag over the past few days. This is a 15-minute chart that I was talking about after this is the high volume sell day. And then it kind of bear flagged out. And then this was the opportunity it gave us. It gave us such a good entry where it showed very light volume buying in the morning. It put in a high, 55.80. And then I knew all these lows, 55.40. So I just had a sell stop, 4,000 shares, 55.37, with a stop at highs. So that way I can risk $2,000. But on 4,000 shares, to get 4,000 shares on that tight risk, it's such a great setup. If you look at the daily chart, right there, that's where it gave us that great entry. Here's the 15-minute once again. Gave us that great entry, and boom, that's where I'm short from. So I covered a bit yesterday. I covered a little more today. Just I don't want to hold a huge position until the weekend. But I mean, from a triggering standpoint and a short setup standpoint, in a growth name at this huge support line where it meets the 200-day moving average, and overall it's been pretty weak. I mean, that's a great setup. Take that one every time.